Hi everyone, I'm Eric. Welcome to the first devlog video of my upcoming roguelike game. In this video, I will be giving you an inside look at how the game is coming along, from the game mechanics to the art style, so you can see the creative process of bringing this game to life. Following the failure of my previous solo game project, I was motivated to learn from my past errors and embark on a new gaming adventure. My previous project had been a 2D platformer game that included exciting elements like robots, platforms, and electric projectiles. But the project's ambitious scope and challenging art style led me into a state of discouragement and procrastination. A few months later, I decided to take all the experiences from this previous project and previous failures and do something more down to earth. That's when I created the roguelike project. Of course, this is not the final name, but let's keep it like that for now. The game is about a robot that wakes up in a creepy and abandoned factory where all the other robots are out to get him. Your job as a player is to help the robot to escape from the factory and figure it out why the other robots are so mean. To do this, you have to go through 5 different areas, each one of them with a tough boss battle that gets harder and harder as you go along. The map is heavily inspired by the Binding of Isaac dungeon structure that has 3 essential elements that I really appreciate: exploration, randomness, and in this case, pixel art. This approach to level design has allowed me to create a great gameplay experience while making the art creation process more manageable. So I'm excited to share with you how I've incorporated these elements into my game and how they have influenced the game's overall direction. To create the entire map, I've implemented a map generator object that houses all the necessary scripts and data to the map, including the number of rooms on the map, types of tiles, room dimensions, enemy types, obstacles, and more. When the project runs, the map generator will instantiate a room generator object that translates this data into a physical room by placing every tile in the appropriate location and position. To keep track of all generated rooms in the game, I use a 2-dimensional array located inside the map generator, with the center of the array indicating the location of the first room, where the player begins their journey. Initially, all the data inside this array is set to 0. However, once the first room is placed, the map generator is notified to keep the array updated. This process of generating and updating the 2-dimensional array occurs until the final room is generated, which is where the boss battle takes place. This system allows for efficient tracking and manipulations of the game's generated rooms, or even use that information to draw a minimap. To do it, I traverse through each element in the array to draw the minimap room icon on its proper position. While the type of enemies you face in each room will vary, for now we only have one crawler robot that can electrocute you if you get too close. I'm currently developing various enemies types, and I plan to showcase them in my next video. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek of what's coming into the world of our roguelike project. As I continue to work on the game, I will be sharing more videos with lots of exciting news and updates, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Thanks!